Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very exciting unboxing for you today. If you have watched my 2021 wish list, you may think this is a Palm Springs mini backpack. It is not, and there's a reason why. I will kind of share that with you after I do the unboxing. So let's get to the most exciting part of the video here. I have the bag in the holiday packaging still. I think this is with the Game On collection. So you'll see all the Game On print on the side, which is really, really beautiful. From what I could tell, not everyone who walked out of the store today, I did go into the boutique in person. Not everyone was walking out of this packaging, so I think that depending on who you work with, they may or may not give you the holiday packaging still. What I bought here is not from the Game On collection, so you don't have to buy the Game On collection to get the holiday packaging. So I do have the bag. It's really pretty, and it's something different because I've only ever gotten the old brown bag before they did the rebranding, and then the orange bags before. So this is really nice to have. And in here, I actually have two items that I'm going to unbox today. But first, of course, I got some perfume samples here. I can try to pronounce, and miserable if you have them, by reading these 4 different samples. I know there's one that I know how to pronounce because it is the California Dream. I did try this in the store. I actually didn't like it very much. It kind of had more of a musky smell to it than what I was expecting. But I have 3 more perfume samples that I haven't tried before, and I got to kind of smell them in store and kind of got to pick the samples out, which is really nice this time. So one is called Le Sable Roses. I don't know, I'm probably butchering all of these pronunciations, but I think the second one is called Cor Vuitton. And then the third one is called, what's it called? Trop Reve. So I have 4 of these perfumes in here, and they came in this cute little dust bag. I actually think I may use this as a little pouch in my purse. So thank you so much, my lovely CA. And if you guys happen to live in the Atlanta area and you want to work with a client advisor in store, send me a message on my Instagram and I will give you my client advisor's information. She said I can share it with you guys. So let me know if you need some help. So I will unbox a small leather good first. This was kind of purchased on a whim, but I used to have this in a different print and different version before, but I kind of got sick of it and I bought a different version this time. The older version I had was in a different color. So it comes with the dust bag here, and in the dust bag, it is it's a 6-ring key holder. So this time I had the rose ballerine one before. That is now discontinued. Still happy that I sold it because the one that I wanted was with the gold button and the brown interior. So this time I stuck with the very typical, more classic color. And I think with the brown interior, I will get more use out of it. I will not be tired of the kind of lighter color, and I won't show the wear and tear as much inside as I start to use it. In the back pocket, you can definitely fit your ID and credit cards and things like that. I currently don't have my keys hooked onto anything. It just has like a gold ring hooked onto it. So I'm looking forward to putting my keys back in here. It currently retails for $265. I think a couple years ago I bought my rose ballerine one for $230, so it has had some price increase. Comes also with the textile card, and I guess this is the tag. And now I'm going to unbox the main purchase of the day. It comes right here. It's beautifully packaged. It even has the Game On collection tag here, which I really appreciate. This really makes me feel like it's a proper gift box compared to some of the other boxes I've gotten before. So as I unbox this, I'll kind of share with you guys the story of how I came about this bag. So I first went into the boutique originally to look at the Palm Springs mini backpack because I had texted my CA yesterday asking if I can come see it in person. And while I was, stalking the website as I normally do, I came across the Palm Springs mini backpack. Online it was available for several hours. Placed an order online, but my CA also texted me back this morning when she got into work, saying she has one available in the store and that she can make an appointment for me so I can come and take a look. So I went in to take a look at the bag, and I just ended up buying this instead. So without a further ado, let me unbox this for you. So here's the dust bag that you can see that it's kind of small. If you clicked on this video, you already know what you are looking for. So in the dust bag, so cute. This is the Nano Speedy. Comes with a non-detachable strap. It's in the monogram canvas. So this piece is made in France. It was actually the only Nano Speedy they had in the store. How I came about this bag. So I didn't even think it was remotely possible for me to get this bag, okay? Because I know it's been sold out everywhere. It never becomes available on the website. And if it does, it's gone in 2 seconds. So didn't even think to ask for this bag, and it just was pure luck, really. So I was looking at the Palm Springs mini backpack that I had on hold by my CA, and they actually had 3 of those in stock, which also surprised me. And she said that's because they just got a shipment from France this morning, so they had actually a lot of made in France pieces that you don't come across on a daily basis. And she said it's kind of abnormal for them to get a shipment this early. They would get, after Christmas season is over, they would get a shipment usually late January, but this was unusual for them too. And that they actually had 2 of these available in store today, but the other one actually had sold earlier that day. And this was the only one she had available. So after I had picked out the Palm Springs mini backpack that I wanted, out of the 3 after I inspected it, I was set on getting that with the 6-ring key holder. But being the CA she is, she was really kind, and she kind of helped me kind of look at some other bags that I might want to purchase in the future. I was actually looking at the new collection with the artist. I forget what his name is. I'll pop it on the screen and down below. I was looking at the Speedy because I wanted to kind of see what the canvas was made of. And it was like the black background with red prints on it. So while I was looking at it, she asked whether I am interested in the Nano collection. And I said, well, yeah, of course. Like, I think the Nano Speedy is really cute. And she said, we actually have one if you want to take a look. And I said, yes, please. So that's when she brought this out for me. And after I tried this on, along with the Palm Springs mini backpack, I decided to go with this one instead. So the reason why I didn't pick Palm Springs mini backpack, I will get into it more in a different video, but this was just a winner, and I'm very excited to have this in my collection. All in all, I think this is a good size. Definitely will fit more than my Gucci Marmont Super Mini. So if you want to see a comparison between the two, I can already tell this one will fit a lot more, but it might be a video that you guys are interested in, and if you are, leave me a comment down below. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the items that I purchased today, and be on the lookout for what fits in my Nano Speedy in the future videos. And always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one.